so that is the before and after. Now I think it'd be kind of cool if we added a hair light, and so that's when we bring in the second light, and that's real simple. Just have another light sphere on a stand, insert the snoot converter, and we'll make a hair light. This one here is going to be on a different power group, and how to turn on power groups and do all of that, I've got so many YouTube videos dedicated to different brands of flashes. So if you have a Sony flash, Canon, Nikon, or whatever, I'll teach you how to set it up so that you can use different power groups. What a power group basically is it says that whatever flashes are assigned to power group A, let's give it full power. Whatever flashes that I assign to power group B, let's give half power. And so once you kind of set that up, then you can change the ratio from one light to the other. Okay, so now, let's see. I'm going to give you a really cool hair light. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to basically do cross lights. These two lights are actually facing each other. So I have one coming on to lighter face. The other one is going to be exactly on the opposite side. And this is what we call cross lighting. Okay, so we'll just kind of see how this goes. This will give some really cool separation against the background. So let's go back to here, and I'm going to go to, let's just check it real quick. We're going to put the ISO yet again to 100, and I'm going to put the camera mode to manual so that we have, as you can see here, 1/4000th of a second at f1.4. Okay, and go ahead and turn. Yep, good. Oh, that is really pretty. I'm going to give it more hair light. So on B, we're going to go B, A, B, more power. Okay, good. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, so now with the cross lighting in place, two snoots aimed right at each other, going at a 45-degree angle off the model. Boom. Katie, can you turn that way just a tiny bit more? Yeah, but eyes at me. Yeah, perfect, good. That's gorgeous.